Okay, I'm back because I wanted to make sure that I showed you properly how to use this Bow Easy Maker, because I know that you're all going to have questions. So why not show you now? So what I'm going to do is show you exactly what you can do. Hello, Bruno.
Hi.
I'm doing a video on the Bow Easy.
Marion Fleming is the other winner.
Oh, Marion Fleming, you're the other winner. Jessie, I'm finally doing the Bow Easy video. She kept telling me, do a Bow Easy video. So, Marion, did you hear you won one? Okay, so this is the Bow Easy. You can do it two ways. You can already pre-cut it, but I'd like to sort of have a bit of leeway. So, I have a little bit extra on the end. This here is one bow. This is another bow here. So wherever there's a middle is where you can make a bow that size. That's going to be the width of the bow. So this is like showing you what loop is on each side. And this is going to be what creates the knot. I have no idea how to use it. All right. Well, hopefully you won't be more confused after this. But all I'm going to do is just wrap it around that size that I want. So this is exactly what it's going to be in the size, okay? Now, all it's helping us to do is to create the knot and to create a nice, pretty little knot that isn't going to bow the little, the edges of the bow. So all I'm going to do is just come back with my little bit that's on the end. It's always going to be on the right. So I just tuck it into that little piece in there. So below, so you can see it coming through. Then I bring it round, okay? So it's just sitting at top. And I'm going to bring it through here because that's creating a knot. And that, my friends, is a wrap. You ready? You ready to have your mind blown? Dun, 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 dun. And there you have the cutest little bow that you definitely could not do by hand. And that, my friends, is what the Bow Easy Maker does for you. So then you just snip the edges, which I'll do now because this is really cute and I want to do a few of these. I have customers that have bought this and they just sit in front of television and make bows and add glue dots to the back. Yes, it's better than a fork. Much better than a fork. There you go. There's no way. So should I do an even smaller one? we'll do this little one. Or did I do that one? No, I did this. Okay, we'll do the really small one. Okay, again. I'm going to do it again so that you can see how easy. You're wrapping it around. Okay, so wrap it around to your little section where you want your bow to be. Then you're coming back, all right, and into this little hole here. So you feed that through, bring it up, and then put it in this little loop here because that's what's creating the knot. I probably haven't given myself enough room. So if you're finding you don't have enough give, just give yourself a little bit more ribbon. So again, wrap it around, bring it back and put it in there. So usually you have my finger behind, sort of trying to grab it from in here. All those sewers out there will know it's like putting a needle through a thread. So you grab that and then this little one goes in here, right? So you just pull it through that little loop. So this is very little, this one. So you're going to be feeling all fingers and thumbs. Pull on it and that's what creates the knot. So make sure it's nice and tight. Okay. And because it's plastic, it just slips off. Look how tiny that one is. Oh, almost fit on my nail. So you can do the little ones, but then I'll show you a bigger one so you can see that as well. Let's just do all sorts of different size bows here. Sorry, I should use different scissors or get new snips. These are so bad. They're really blunt. Time for new ones. And I've seen even people like do the little like sort of crisscross through here, like where they do the little, these aren't sort of good enough to do that. They're not so you know, these bits here, don't waste them. I know it feels like you're wasting ribbon, but it's so cool being able to do. So we'll do this size ribbon here, and I'll show you another technique that you can do with it. So this is going to be the size of the bow here. So that's quite big. And this isn't the hugest amount of ribbon. So what you can do is you can wrap it around twice. So we've done one, and it'll just give it another look again. And then we'll do two, right? So all of this here, I'll give myself a little bit more ribbon. I've got the ink pad open and I'm waiting for it to go through the go through the middle. So I've wrapped it around twice, okay? Is that flat? Yes. Ooh! Don't get off. Don't jump off on me. Okay. It's looking happy. All right. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing. And come down at the base here. Feed it through. Come up. And then put it through here. And knot it. And are you ready for your mind to be blown? Okay. So I've done it quite a number of times here. Twice. And then you have a double bow. And there's no way you could do that by hand. I mean, some of you could be really talented and might be able to do that. But how cool is that? It's like a really fancy bow. And I think this is new ribbon too. Is this new ribbon? So yes, that's the bow maker. 7 different sizes. And that's how amazing it is. Even really little ones. Yep, linen thread, wrap it lots of times. It's so true. So, yeah, I hope that helps. You can go to my Facebook store and get it today. Get it for friends. You know, it's so cheap. Why not? Get it for everyone. And this is the original, which is really nice. And the man who created it, it's actually a really sad story. But, oh, I'm going to get a bit choked up now. But anyway, I contacted him recently and he said, well, my wife, Val, has died. She died of cancer. And it was just like, oh, are you kidding me? Like, I've been dealing with her for years and they invented this and did the molds and everything in America. And he said, yeah, I've decided to take over the business because everyone just loves it so much. And I've kept it going and it's just part of my memory with her. And I was like, oh, give me another 1,000. Because I'm like, you poor man. He's just, yeah, really sad for him. But anyway, he's keeping it going. He's making them and packing them and selling them. So he was a bit confused as to how many would go in a parcel. And I was telling him how many Val could pack in. And so, yeah, it's really sad. So I like supporting him as well, especially with what he's been through. So the Facebook store is just, if you click on the left-hand side, I think it has shop. It should have shop. Anyway, and then it'll bring up a few different things in there. So thank you all. I hope you enjoyed my little Bow Easy tutorial. I've been wanting to do that forever. So I'm really happy that can be ticked off the list. Thank you. Love you all lots. Love you guts. Bye.